welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys my birthday decorations, the whole party, and how everything looked. So as you can see by this backdrop, it's a pink party. I just have hot pink, light pink, fuchsia, and I also added flowers. So you're gonna see a lot of pink decorations. I did everything myself, so let's go into the video. Okay, starting off, this is an overview of the whole entire party and how everything looked put together. It's all pink, and I'm going to start by showing you this side over here. We have streamer along the post and each of the other two posts, and this is one of the tables. I just put wine glasses with a wine bottle. I decorated the pink wine with like a flower and the wine glasses with lace ribbon, and I think it looks really cute and really girly. I love the pink wine as well. And for the top part, I just added pink and hot pink balloons. And here is another table. It's just a hot pink table cover. And here's another close-up of the ceiling. I love how it looks so pink. And here's a close-up of the wine glasses with the lace and the wine bottle as well. Now here's the main table with the cake and presents. I just added a pink backdrop with flowers, and for the table I just put a hot pink table cover and this white garland around the table. Now here's an overview of the backdrop. I put flowers that I made from paper, and I used light pink and hot pink petals, and I really liked how they turned out, and I think it just adds the cutest touch to the backdrop. And I also added a light pink table runner on top to add a pop of different dimension. And here's a close-up of this really cute gift that I got. It has a unicorn on it, so cute. And here's a close-up of the cake. I decorated the cake myself with flowers on the top, and it's just an ombre pink cake, and it's marble, and it was so cute. I really liked the way it turned out, and I really liked the fresh flowers that I added on the top as well, and I just think it went well with the whole decoration. And on this corner I have my happy birthday glittery balloon and my 26 number balloon in hot pink, and the infamous backdrop with hot pink and pink streamer. So I made this, and I just added a light pink garland at the top as well, and I really liked how everything turned out and how it just put everything together for our pictures. And that is the whole party overview. I hope you guys enjoyed.
When I get down on my luck, I hide behind my eyes in Hollywood. This ain't what you